like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.
Okay, so we're out here right now in the woods. Got the New Holland out here with me. As you can tell, it's pretty sloppy, at least for a wheeled machine. Not too bad, but it is noticeable. See these ruts I made and all. I'm trying to clear a path out to this tree right here that's stuck in this other one. I'm just trying to make it more easily accessible, basically. I'm not going to be using the skid steer to take the tree down, but I want to make it more accessible with the skid steer. So now I have a nice path in here. Before, this was all thorn bushes and brush and everything, so now I can at least get in here with a ladder, get a rope high enough. The sun is right in the way. You can see I put a rope on the lower part and it broke, so I gotta get a rope up there and then hook it to a tractor or something and yank her back over into the field is the plan, where I could cut it up. So yeah, I guess I could yank it out and yank it this way here, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. Be better off in the field. What is that? Backpack? I think that's actually my old backpack when I was a little kid. Yep. All right, well, we'll get back to work and see what happens. We gotta climb through all this to get to that rope. Last time I did this, it was not fun. It's all thorns and stuff. I can't really get the skid steer in here without doing a lot of work. Oh boy. I need a machete. Damn it. Come on. Got my hat. Oh. Bastard. Almost out. Come on. Let me put my hat back on. All right, that should do her. I'm gonna try with the skid steer first. Probably not gonna work. The skid steer just doesn't have enough mass. I mean, it's a very small machine. It weighs well, less than 5,000 pounds. I think it's like 3,500 maybe. Worst case scenario, we could fire up the M548 over there and use that. But anyway, so we'll get the skid steer. We'll try it. I don't know. Maybe it'll work. We'll see. Pull it at this angle here. I don't know if this is going to do it. It couldn't do it last time. I mean, it did end up breaking the rope, so maybe it could do it. I don't know. But basically, what we're going to do, I should use the other end of the nut on it. So, I might end up ripping the bucket off. We'll see what happens though. If this doesn't work, I'm going to try the back of the machine. If that doesn't work, I'm going to have to get a bigger machine. Which is fine, you know, it'd be convenient. It'd be convenient to do it this way, but if we gotta get a bigger machine, I'll get a bigger machine. Biggest thing with this is once it starts going, you can't stop. You gotta run it all the way home because you don't want it like this. You want, like I said, run it all the way home. Once you start getting it moving, keep going, don't stop. So, all right, here we go. went literally perfect. Absolutely perfect. Let's go inspect. Alright, so I'll definitely say I did not think that was going to go as well as it did and as easy as it did. But it did. It's good when things work out like that. We just got to cut it up and clean it up. Fun, fun.
You'll see the difference now. If we change it, you'll know how. Nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. It's like a family